In today's video, I want to guide you on how to download and install Windows 11 26H2 on your device. This process is very simple. All I have to do, guys, is to watch this video to the end as I walk you through the processes without missing any step. Open a new browser on your device. In the search bar, type in Windows Insider Program and hit the enter button. Now scroll down until you get to Windows Insider Preview ICO. Click on it. So once you are at this place, make sure you log into your account. If you don't have an account, try to create an account and log in. Once you log into your account, scroll down to the base of this page. Here, click on this arrow to select. Now we are going for this one that says experimental building 26300.8953 25H2. Once you download and install, it's going to turn to 26H2. So click on this one, then click on confirm. Now that I've clicked on confirm, you wait a few seconds, it comes out like this. Select the product language. So click on this and select any language that suits you. So I'll go for English US United States. Click on it, then click on confirm. Once you click confirm, it comes out like this. Then click on this one that says 64-bit to start downloading. Once you click on it, then the downloading will take place in a moment. So come to this place and say that this downloading is going to take about 8 gig on your device. The next thing you have to do before you start upgrading is to be sure that your system meets some requirements. Your system must be 64-bit, and how to get that is very simple. Come to this window here, right click, then click on property. So come to this place under system type, you see 64-bit operating system. So this tells you that your system can do that, and my version is 22H2. So I want to guide you on how to upgrade to 26H2. The process is very simple. Now that I've downloaded the installer on my device, right click on it, then click on mount button here. Now click on run button. So double click on the setup, click on yes. It comes out like this. Click on next button here. Wait for it to check for updates. So since we are getting something ready, so checking your PC, just wait a bit for it to load up. Now click on accept button here. Please wait for it to load again. So click on this button, enable. Now come to this place, then restart your system. Now restart the process again. Right clicking on this, click on mount, click on open, double click on this button, click on yes. Now click on this button that says continue where we left, click on next. So install Windows 11 Pro, key personal file and apps. So click on install button. So you have to wait. This might take a time depending on your system and depending on the network. So you can see that the time is counting here. So let's wait for this process. In the course of this installation process, your system will restart several times. Just make sure that you wait and you connect your system to light, or if you are using your laptop, make sure that you have enough backup battery on your laptop device while installing this window on your device. So the installation is in progress. Your PC will restart in a few moments. So get things ready for you once you provide your login details. Now this might take a few moments. Just wait a little while for your system to keep uploading and setting up the processes completely. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So we can see that we've been able to install or upgrade our Windows device to Windows 11 26H2. So we are getting ready now. Let's wait and see. Now our window is now live. So let's right click on this button and see property. Here we have it. The version is Windows 11 Pro Insider Review 26H2. Then guys, we are good to go. Everything is now ready. So that's all, guys, on how to upgrade your Windows to Windows 11 26H2 without losing your data. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.